Welcome to Jamaica Citizens Guide. In this video, I'll show you how to apply for a post office box, P.O. box in Jamaica. Please note that a P.O. box is for receiving letters only and not for sending letters. The box gives you privacy, safe receipt of your letters, and the convenience of collecting your letters at any time, night or day. Here is the procedure for renting a P.O. box in Jamaica. Requirements: you must be age 18 or older. Valid government issued ID. This may be a passport, driver's license, or your voter's ID. 3,000 Jamaican dollars. The application process: visit a post office location. Inform a member of staff that you wish to rent a P.O. box. If there are boxes available at that location, you will be given the application form. The application form will require, among other things, your name, contact details, phone number of someone else who is close to you, and, if applicable, the names of other persons whose letters will also come to the box. Fill out the application form and hand it in with your ID and the $3,000 fee. Your ID will be given back to you as soon as it is checked and the necessary information copied. You will then be given the payment receipt, the box number you will use, and the key to your box. There are responsibilities that come with having a P.O. box address. You are responsible to inform everyone and every business about your P.O. box address, such as friends, family members, utility company, banks, and so on. You are responsible to pay the rental fee each year on time and in full. The yearly rental fee for a P.O. box is currently 2,000 Jamaican dollars. Keep the key to your box in a safe place. In the event you lost your key, pay the replacement costs. Return the key if you no longer wishes to use the box.